Problem on Newton's laws of motion. A gun of mass 3 kg fires a bullet of mass 30 grams. The bullet takes 0.003 seconds to move through the barrel of the gun and acquires a velocity of 100 meters per second. Calculate A, the velocity with which the gun recoils. So basically there is a gun and a bullet is fired from the gun, and the mass of the gun is mg, which is given, and velocity of the gun we need to find, and mass of the bullet is given, and velocity of the bullet is also given, because this bullet acquires a velocity of 100 meters per second in time of 0.003 seconds. And mass of the gun is given as 3 kg and mass of the bullet is given as 30 grams. Now what we need is the velocity with which the gun recoils whenever a bullet goes back and the gun recoils. So what is the velocity with which the gun recoils? So let us find the given things. The mass of the gun mg is 3 kg, and let us say velocity of the recoiling of the gun is Vg, and mass of bullet, let us say this is mb, which is given as 30 grams, which we need to convert into kilograms. So 30 by 1000 kilogram. Since 1000 grams is 1 kilogram, and velocity of the bullet is given as the velocity which the bullet acquires after a certain time is 100 meter per second. Now from law of conservation of momentum, we know that the momentum of the gun is equal to the momentum of the bullet. mg vg, momentum of the gun, is equal to mb vb, which is momentum of the bullet. So in this case mg is 3 into vg, which is equal to mb is 30 by 1000 into velocity of the bullet acquired is 100. So vg becomes 30 by 1000 into 100 by 3. This becomes 2 zeros, 2 0, 0 0, 3 ones, 3 ones, which is 1 meter per second. Velocity of gun is found to be recoiling 1 meter. Now the second part of the question is the force exerted on gunman due to recoil of the gun. So the force exerted on the gunman is mass into acceleration. Now we do not know. We know the mass of the gun. In this case, mass of the gun is mg, because the gun is the one which is exerting the force. So we need to take mass of the gun and acceleration. We need to find the acceleration. We can find the acceleration from the first equation of motion. Vg is equal to u plus at, and in this case we know Vg we just found, which is 1 meter per second, and u is 0 because the initial velocity of the gun is 0, it is at rest, and t is given as 0.003 seconds. Substituting this, we get 1 is equal to 0 plus a into 0.003. So a into, this can be written as 3 by 1000 is equal to 1. So a becomes 1000 by 3 meters per second square. Now substituting this value of A in force equation, we get, substituting 2 in 1, force is mg into A, and mg is given as 3 kg. So 3 into A is 1000 by 3. 3 gets cancelled, so it becomes 1000 newtons. The force exerted on the gunman is due to recoil of the gun is 1000 newtons.